What if I told you that one of the most powerful buy signals in the stock market is when a stock is at its most expensive? It sounds counterintuitive, right? We are always taught to buy low and sell high. But today, we are flipping the script. Welcome to a strategy that focuses on momentum and strength. The 52-week high trading strategy. First things first, what is a 52-week high? Simply put, it's the highest price at which a stock has traded during the past full year. It's a key psychological and technical level watched by every trader, fund manager, and algorithm on Wall Street. When a stock approaches or breaks through this level, it's a major event. It tells us that there is significant buying pressure and that the stock has enough momentum to overcome all the selling pressure it faced in the previous year. So, why does this work? It all comes down to market psychology. The fear of missing out, FOMO. When a stock hits a new high, it grabs headlines. Investors who missed the initial run-up see the strength and pile in, afraid of being left behind. This creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. Though no overhead resistance. Think of it this way. If a stock is at its highest price in a year, there are no unhappy bag holders waiting to sell. Everyone who bought in the last year is in profit. There's no resistance from people looking to break even, which can clear the path for a continued rally. Teen institutional buying. Big money, like mutual funds and hedge funds, often have mandates that only allow them to buy stocks that are performing well and are near their highs. A breakout triggers this massive institutional buying. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually trade this? It's not just about buying any stock that hits a new high. You need a disciplined process. First, use a stock screener. Look for stocks that are trading within 5% of their 52-week high. You want them close to the breakout point, not ones that have already skyrocketed 50% past it. Now, filter out the junk. Volume. The breakout must be on above average volume. This confirms real institutional interest, not just a random spike. Look for volume at least 25% above the average. Fundamentals. The company should be strong. Look for positive earnings growth, strong sales, and good industry outlook. We want a strong horse, not just a lucky one. Trend. The overall market trend should be bullish or at least neutral. Don't try to catch breakouts in a bear market. Your entry trigger is when the stock's price closes above the previous 52-week high. Don't buy on an intraday spike. Wait for the daily candle to close above the level to confirm the breakout is real. This is non-negotiable. Your stop loss should be placed just below the breakout level. A common place is 2-3% below the 52-week high, or below a key support level like the 20-day moving average. If the stock falls back into its old range, the breakout has failed and you must exit. This keeps your losses small. The goal is to ride the momentum as long as possible. Don't sell just because you have a 10% profit. Use a trailing stop loss. For example, you could sell if the price closes below its 50-day moving average. This way, you lock in profits while giving the trend room to run. Let's look at a real example. Here's stock name. You can see it was consolidating for months. Then, on high volume, it closes decisively above its 52-week high. That's our buy signal. We enter here. We place our stop loss below the level. The stock then begins a powerful uptrend. We use a moving average as our trailing stop, and we ride the trend all the way up until it finally breaks our trailing stop, giving us a fantastic profit. Now, this strategy is powerful, but it's not a magic bullet. You must be aware of the risks. False breakouts, the biggest risk. A stock breaks out, you buy, and then it immediately reverses and hits your stop loss. This will happen It's part of the game. That's why risk management is everything. Not for buy and hold investors. This is a momentum strategy. You are not marrying the company. You are dating the trend. Be ready to exit when the trend reverses. Emotional discipline. It's psychologically difficult to buy a stock at its peak. You have to trust the process and the rules you've set. So, there you have it. The 52-week high strategy in a nutshell. It's a method to capture the strongest stocks in the market by buying high and selling even higher. Remember, the trend is your friend. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more trading strategies, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And let me know in the comments.